Hello, this is the June 16 and Thursday. We'll talk about forex market today. As we see, as you see, we can back in the future, in the past, and in Monday and Tuesday, we predict a bearish trend for euro dollar and cable dollar, and you see that our predictions were true. So now we can see that euro fell a few hundred pips down, and now we can see what will be the trend today and in the future. Let me see, this is the euro dollar chart. We put a Fibonacci just to see what's happened. As we see, for yesterday, about 300 pips down, we have a established price around 1.441, and here, if you see the chart, 15 minutes and daily chart, we can see that in this moment some kind of support is creating for euro dollar. And if we see, this is the 30 May day when we have a price around 1.41, and what we think, maybe it will be one small little correction. The maximum correction for euro dollar should be around 1.43. It's 38.2 Fibonacci top. So at most 150 pips euro dollar can go up, and with that or without that, we predict bearish trend, and we predict more bearish trend for euro dollar. The next point, for our opinion, is 1.397, and after that we hope more bearish, and euro dollar will go to 1.35. The same story is about cable. If we see the chart, we can see exactly very similar pattern. At this moment, like on the day 24 May, we have support around 1.615, and what we can predict that up correction can go at most 1.63, and after that or without that, we predict a bearish trend. The first, another stop is 1.605, and after that we predict more bearish trend, and next stop should be 1.59 and more. So we just see the very bearish trend, very downtrend for euro and British pound, and all fundamental analysis and technical analysis show exactly the same story, more downtrend. So what we see very fast, other currencies, because some other traders or trade with other currencies, we suggest the bullish trend for US dollar, Swiss franc, and here we have a 0.85, but we predict more gains for this currency. Same for US dollar, Japanese yen. We can see at this moment little correction, downtrend just a few, I think 50, most 100 pips, but it will be around 80, and we predict more gains. We predict more and more bullish trend for US dollar, and the next area should be around 85. This is it about major currency that we track every day, but of course there is some currencies that are very interesting. What is that? Yesterday and the day before yesterday we started with new trade, and exactly what we told that's happened. Let me see. It is a huge, after earthquake in New Zealand. We can see that we can see the huge downtrend for New Zealand dollar and American dollar currency pair, and we can see that this huge downtrend, it will be more and more significant, and it will go to 0.79 and more. So we will keep our sell order. We already have a 200 pips profit, and we put stop loss about 0.81, and we will wait and try to take more profit. What is the very interesting currency for these days? I can suggest something new if you want to make some interesting trade and try to take more profit. One of that interesting things is I will try to British pound Aussie. It's very interesting. I will try to show on this chart here. If you look at the daily chart, just a moment to see the currency. Okay, if we see this, we can see the huge bullish trend for this currency pair, and we, if you want that, you can create one buy order, very small, about 1.52, for example, stop loss, and to try to have more and more gains and hundreds and hundred pips, because we can predict that this currency pair will have a bullish trend in another weeks, another days. So if interesting, this is not ordinary trade for us. This is some kind of experimental trade, and maybe it can be interesting in the future. For us, the main points are euro dollar and cable. This is the best trades, bearish trend, sell orders. It's our recommendations. We already have several orders in sell order, and we think that we can gain more profits in the future. So this is it. Thank you a lot, and bye bye.